Almond Face Pack is an age-old beauty recipe, and women have always relied on a badam face pack to revitalize their skin. Any almond face pack comes with the benefits of reducing the signs of aging and nourishing. As we know that almonds are packed with vitamin E, they keep our skin hydrated and further make it soft and supple. Moreover, the presence of antioxidants in almonds keeps our skin wrinkle-free, young and glowing. They also improve your complexion and skin tone.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie and Daisy. Today I'm going to share with you one of the best and easy badam face mask for skin lightening.
All you need is 2 tablespoons of almond paste, 1 tablespoon tomato juice, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon of honey. Soak 8 to 10 almonds in water overnight. The next day, peel off the skin from the almonds and grind them. Take the almond paste in a bowl. Now, mix 1 spoon of tomato juice, lemon juice and honey and blend everything well. Apply on your face. The goodness of lemon, when combined with tomato and antibacterial honey, will yield amazing results for your skin complexion. Keep it for 20 minutes and wash your face with regular water. Repeat this once every 3-4 days. It is an excellent almond face pack to lighten your skin tone within a few weeks.